Hi, good evening, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Math Teacher from SVM School, Harinmarakam. Dear students, this is part 6 video for the 6th standard, third chapter. Yes, that is playing with numbers. Dear students, you know that already we have discussed the divisibility tests or divisibility rules. In previous class, we have discussed divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. Means that when we have to use to divide 2 to the given numbers, when we have to use the 3 to the given numbers. These two rules we have studied in our previous class, dear children. In our today class, we have to discuss about the divisibility rule, divisibility rule by 4. Divisibility rule, divisibility rule by third one, that is by 4. Means when we can use this 4 to the given numbers. I mean that when we can use the 4 to the given numbers to divide the given numbers. Here it's rule that any number, if any number, any number, its last digits will divisible by, will last two digits, sorry, if any number, its last two digits its last two digits last two digits will divisible by, divisible by 4, then the number can be divisible by 4. Suppose example, dear children, first example, suppose example first, 2436. See this example, last two digits of this number can be divisible by, 4. That's why suppose see here, 36 by 4, 4 ones are 4 nines are, 4 nines are 36. Here remainder is 0, quotient is 9. Example 2, suppose 5640. Yes, 40. This last two digits definitely will divisible by. Let us see. 40 by 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. Yes, 4 tens are. Its quotient is 10. Remainder is 0. That's why this number also will divisible by 4. Example 3, dear children. Suppose example 3, suppose 7616. 7416. See last two digits will divisible by 16 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Quotient is 4. Remainder is 0. You have to clearly observe, dear children. If any number, it may be, if any number, or you can say the definitions, any number which contains last two digits that must and should will divisible by 4, then that number will be divisible by 4, otherwise that number cannot be divisible by 4. This is the divisibility rule by 4. If any number, its last two digits will divisible by 4, then the number will divisible by 4, otherwise that number cannot be divisible by 4. Okay, dear children, I think this is understood you. Let us, I will move for the next content in my today class, fourth content, that is divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. I mean that when we can use 7 to divide the given numbers. divisibility by 5. Yes, fourth rule, divisibility by 5. Its rule, if any number ends with 0 or 5 in its unit place. Any number ends with 0 or 5 in its unit place, then that number will be divisible by 5. Otherwise, that number cannot be divisible by 5. Okay, I will write the definition. Any number ends with 0 or 5, then that number will divisible by 5. Example, see dear children. Example first. Suppose 6780. This number ends with 0 na. This number definitely will this number completely 6780 can be divisible by 5. If you want to see 6780 divided by 5. 5 ones are 1 is left out to 17. 5 threes are 15. 17 minus 15 means 2 is left out. That will be 28. Then 5 fives are 25. 28 minus 25 means 3 is left out. That will be 30. 5 6 are 30. Dear children, quotient is 1350. Quotient is 1350. Remainder is 0. It means that this 6780 can be divisible by perfectly by 5. Example 2, dear children. 98,675. Yes, see here. This number 98,675. This number ends with 5. It number contains in place of unit place is 5. Definitely this number will be divisible by 5. Yes, example 3, dear children. Example 3. Suppose 3,45,675. Or you can take any number, it may be not only this 95. Yes, 95. This number 3,45,695 ends with 5. That's why that number also will divisible by 5. This is the rule of divisibility by 5. Then I will move for the last content in my today class, that is fifth content, divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6. I will deal that one also here. Divisibility by 6. By 6. Its rule, if any number will divisible by 2 and 3, then that number will divisible by 6. Yes, here very important thing. In our previous class already we have discussed that divisibility rule by 2. We have discussed that number must and should contain 0, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then that number will be divisible by 2. 3, we know that is the sum of the 3 digits. Sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 3. Then that number will divisible by 3. If any number will divisible by 2 and 3, then that number will divisible by 6. Example C, dear children. Yes, 1936. Here 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. Actually make it yes. Yes, better you have to 4. Take it 4. Here 1 plus 3, 9, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 is cannot be divisible by, beta 17 is 14, make it 2, yes, now, okay, definitely this number will be divisible by, see, here 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15, yes, 15 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15, this number can be divisible by 3, na? This number also will divisible by 2, why? Because this number ends with 2, yes, this 1932 it can be divisible by 2 and can be divisible by 3 also, that's why this number can be divisible by 6, remaining divisible by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 I will teach in my next class. Thanking you all, bye.